And now that we've covered the tank size, the PSI, the airflow, let's go back to our two basic questions. What job do you need to do, and what tools are you using? And we'll provide minimum requirements, but keep in mind that a compressor with higher specifications will also easily power a tool with lower requirements, sometimes even faster, or it can actually power more than one tool at a time. Now, if you're using a compressor for inflation, everything from bike, auto, tractor tires to air mattresses and inner tubes, or if you're doing airbrushing or cleaning your shop or tools, you'll want a compressor that's up to 2 gallons, has a pressure of 60 to 135 psi, and an airflow of 0.6 to 2.0 SCFM. Now, of course, any larger compressor will also get the job done. For interior nailing jobs like flooring or finish work, look for a compressor that's 1 to 6 gallons with a PSI of 135 to 175 and an airflow of 0.7 to 5.0 SCFM, depending on the number of users. Exterior nailing jobs like roofing and framing will require a compressor that's between 8 and 15 gallons with a PSI of 135 to 200 and an airflow of 4 to 10 SCFM. For automotive uses like changing tires or engine work, you're going to want a larger tank, a 15 to 21 gallon compressor with a PSI of 135 to 175 and an airflow of 4 to 5 SCFM, and that'll give you the power that you need to easily run ratchets and wrenches. Now, if you want to power multiple air tools at once, you want to look for a larger compressor with a higher PSI and airflow. Auto body work or wood shops that run sanders and HVLP paint sprayers require the largest compressors with the highest airflow. One user will need at least a 27-gallon compressor or larger with a PSI of more than 135 and an airflow of 5 or more SCFM. To power multiple users, you'll need a bigger tank with higher airflow. Now again, these large compressors can power all the smaller air requirements that we just covered.